Everyone, today is the subject accountancy. We will learn the chapter financial statement. The today's topic importance of final accounting. Following the main importance of final accounting, first is to know the production cost of the profit and loss on goods. Trading account help to know the cost of production and the profit and loss made the goods during a particular continuing period. Actually, the trading account shows all direct expenses, okay, to know the production cost and the profit and loss on goods. To know the net profit and net loss of the business, actually the profit and loss accounts, to know the net profit and net loss, actually the profit and loss accounts compares of all indirect expenses, incomes, profit and losses of the business, and unable to know the net profit and net loss of the business made in particular accounting year. Then next, to know the financial position of the business. It is very essential for the successful businessman to know the financial position of the business. Okay, the balance contains all assets and liabilities of the business at the actual value of the help to know the financial position of business. The next, to increase profit earning capacity. Financial accounting is prepared annually to know the profit and loss made the business in each year. Does it help the comparing the profit and loss each year and analysis the reason increasing and decreasing the profit and loss in the year. The next is to help in future plan or scheme. The information revealed through final accounts can work the future guideline for the improvement of the business. Does it is help in informing future plans and the scheme for the development of business. Okay, the next is meaning of trading account. What is the meaning of trading account? Actually, the trading account is that account which is prepared to know the gross profit made on sales of goods. The accounts of cost of goods sold in deducted from the such net sale and get the gross profit. In simple word, we can say that the statement prepared in account from the to know the profit or loss made the purchase and sales of goods during the particular period are actually the trading account to know the to know the gross profit and gross loss. Okay, characteristics of trading account. First is all direct expenses are recorded here. Then second, it's reveals a comparison of purchase and sales of goods made during the year. Then last is it show the gross profit or gross loss made during the year. Thank you.